Most people are trying to sell digital products the same way they did 2 years ago, and that is exactly why they're struggling. Last month alone, I generated over $110,000 selling digital products, and I can tell you the biggest reason why. It isn't because I created a better product. It isn't because I worked harder, because I actually worked less. It's because the way people buy digital products has completely changed. So if you're still trying to sell digital products the old way, you're making it much harder than it needs to be, my friend. In this video, I am going to show you what has changed in 2026, what people are actually buying today, and how one simple shift can completely change your results. Hey, before we get into this, I really want to invite you to something that I have really special that's coming up. I'm co-leading a 3-day challenge that's going to help you get traction, and it's going to help you start making sales in your business, or even if you're a complete newbie, I'm going to show you exactly where to start. So join us. You can grab the link in the description below and save your seat. Hey, if we have not met yet, my name's Wendy. I am a 57-year-old grandma of 3 from a small town in Ontario, Canada. And I help people, especially those over 50 like me, build a flexible online income that they can literally take anywhere because it runs from your phone. I retired at 55 after starting from zero. I didn't have tech skills, any marketing background, and I had no followers on social media. And I've been doing this since February 2024. And what most people don't see is what happened before that. I had years and years of trying to figure things out. A lot of different things. I spent money on programs that really didn't go anywhere, and honestly, just feeling stuck. So if that is where you are right now, you're not behind. You're just in the stage of figuring out what actually works. So there was a time not long ago where you could create a simple digital product, example like a PDF, a mini course, or even something for $27, and it would sell like hotcakes. And yes, they still do sell today, but not like they used to. Because before, people paid for information. Someone had learned something, they've organized it, packaged it, and people would buy it. And that worked for quite a while. But now, AI is incredible, right? If you haven't used it, trust me, it can give you answers in a nanosecond. Ask it anything, and it will give you a full-blown breakdown of something. But it can't sit beside you when you're stuck. It can't say, hey, I see what you're doing wrong. Try this instead. It can't see your hesitation or your fear or your uncertainty. And that's the shift right here that I'm talking about. Information used to be the product, but now information is everywhere. It's free and it's instant. Anyone can get it with a click of a button. So what people are actually paying for now is help, human help, real help. Not just what to do, but how to do it, and what to do when it doesn't work the first time. Because let's be honest, most things don't work perfectly the first time, at least not for me. Like, what's working right now is digital products that include coaching, support, and real implementation, where people aren't left alone fumbling around trying to figure things out after they buy. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Say somebody buys a course on how to grow on YouTube. There's no coaching with it, there's no support. They watch all the videos and they're awesome, but they get stuck at video 3 and then they quit because they don't know what to do. Now take the exact same course, but this time there's a weekly live call that's added where they can literally share their screen and ask, why isn't this working? They don't quit. They push through because they have the coaching to help them get results. Same content, same information, completely different result. That's the whole difference between what used to work and what works now. And when I look back, this is exactly why things started working for me. Now, when I started with the model that I've been using for the last 2 years, it wasn't just a product. It was education, it had live coaching, live support, a real system, and real people. And all that made the difference, my friend. That is the shift that I told you about at the start. Not a new tool, not new information, real people in it with me. Real people helping me get the results. Because I wasn't guessing anymore. I wasn't trying to piece things together. And I wasn't sitting there wondering, am I even doing this right? I had a direction, and that helped me change everything. Most people don't fail because they're not capable, because you totally are. They fail because they're doing it all alone. And that's exactly why community matters so much right now. But get this, even with a great community, people can still get stuck sometimes. because people come in at all different levels. And honestly, there are 4 types of people who show up here. So stick with me here because I bet one of these is you. Some are complete beginners. They've never filmed themselves before and they're just hitting record feels really overwhelming. Now imagine having a coach who helps you get comfortable on camera, step by step. Would that change things? Others have a whole history of trying things that just didn't work, like me, and now they're frustrated and cautious. Imagine having someone look at what you've done and show you exactly what you need to change. Now, some are stuck in the weeds of their own minds. They're overthinking everything, they're dealing with limiting beliefs, wondering if they're even cut out for this. Now, imagine having a mindset coach who helps you work through that in real time. And some people honestly cringe every time the word tech is even mentioned. Yeah, that's me, like totally not techie. And they feel like they're already behind. Imagine having somebody walk you through it. Simplify anything techie without the overwhelm. Here's the thing, you don't have to just imagine it. That is exactly what my 3-day challenge is for. So whether you're stuck at your next level or you're just getting started, grab your free seat. You can grab it in the link below. That's what actually led me to start working on something behind the scenes, because I kept seeing this pattern over and over and over again. Most digital programs are built around one person's knowledge and skill set. And listen, that person might be amazing. They might have made millions of dollars online, just like I have. But here's the truth. No one is great at everything. I mean, I totally know I'm not. I can teach you how to grow on YouTube and how to find the message that makes people stop and listen and connect with you. That is my lane. That's my zone of genius. But there are so many other lanes. There's mindset and confidence and tech and funnels and branding, the platform you choose, believing in yourself enough to actually hit publish, knowing how to keep going when it's quiet and nothing seems to be working. And here's what I've learned. Everybody gets stuck somewhere different. Your lane might not even be the one that I just listed, but you will get stuck somewhere, trust me. So the question was never, what's the one thing that I need to learn? It's who do I have in my corner for whatever lane I'm stuck in right now? That's what really clicked for me. This isn't about finding one perfect coach who knows it all, because honestly, nobody does. It's about having the right support for the right lane when you need it. So I started asking myself, what if you didn't have to rely on just one coach? What if you had access to different coaches for different problems right when you need them? Would that change the game for you? So I've been co-creating something with multiple skilled coaches. Each one is an expert in their own lane that brings all of this together. So if you've ever been sitting there thinking, why isn't this working for me? It's not you, my friend. The game has changed. And honestly, we're in a better position now than we ever used to be before. Because yes, AI can give you answers, but it can't help you become the person who gets results. And in less than 2 years, I've generated well over 7 figures online. Not because I had more information than anybody else, but because I had real support to actually implement it. That's the shift. And it's exactly what myself and these other coaches are bringing together into the marketplace right now. And we're pretty darn excited about it. So you are not too late. You are right on time, my friend. If you've been trying to figure this out on your own, you don't have to do it that way anymore. If this speaks to you and you know you don't just need more information, you need the right support, then join me in the Scale Your Brand Live Challenge. It's 3 free days where myself and other 6- and 7-figure online coaches will help you get your personal breakthrough. You will walk away with an actual plan, your CEO snapshot, and your only choice message, and a 7-day launch strategy that you can start the very next morning. So grab the link right here below this video, save your free seat, and I look forward to seeing you here, because your dreams and your goals are worth not giving up on, my friend. And actually, everything I just told you in this video about the human part being what actually is working right now, I go even deeper in that in another one of my videos, where I break down exactly why AI does not have the advantage over you. It's the actual opposite. Being real, being human, being you at this stage of life, with everything you've lived through, that is your edge, my friend, in the marketplace right now. So you can go watch it right here, and I will meet you over there.